Well, we've been here a few hours already, but I finally got a break where things have calmed down a little bit. Welcome to our next episode of Coaster Voyager. Of course, we're here at Universal Studios, Florida, here to check out Hollywood Rip Ride Rockit, Revenge of the Mummy, Harry Potter, and Escape from Gringott. This is the beginning of our stay here to check out the Universal parks, and of course we're really excited to check it out. Let's go. Just got off the first coaster for today here at Universal Studios Orlando, the Hollywood Rip Ride Rockit. Very tall, almost a hyper coaster, and of course you get a soundtrack while you ride. And you may have heard that this is closing here in just a couple months, in August I believe, be replaced with something better. No, it's not too bad, other than excessive mid-course brake runs, the drop, the non-inverting loop here, and several airtime hills are pretty solid, so I'm sad to see it go. We're in the New York section of the park now. Old school New York style buildings, heading towards Revenge of the Mummy, the roller coaster.
Interview a lot more. Thank you.
Alright, we just did the Mummy and Jimmy Fallon race through New York, still over here in the New York section. We found kind of a chill spot out of the way in front of Michael's restaurant. But yeah, the Mummy was the way cooler roller coaster so far, with the effects and the animatronics. You get a forward and backward launch. The backward launch isn't much of one, but it was the much cooler ride so far. Jimmy Fallon is kind of like a motion theater, like the Minions, Minion Mayhem. It's like that, but with actual 3D glasses. So successful day so far. Left the New York area, we're crossing over here to San Francisco, city by the bay. They've got Jaws here, a tribute to the movie, of course, and the ride that operated here until 2009, I believe, but still lives on in our memory. And just like that, we're in the Diagon Alley Harry Potter section of Universal Orlando.
I'll give you a free life. You gotta remember, Mr. Yeah.
Nilbog is goblins spelled backwards. This is their kingdom.
Nilbog! It's goblins spelled backwards! This is their kingdom!
Fireworks from my brothers Fred and George.
Billy, what are you doing here?
This is my office, Lordak. The question is, what are you doing here?
I was about to show our new clients the vault. I was just getting the keys.
Well, I moved them. All you have to do is ask. Accio keys.
How did you get in here? We haven't seen
Well,
you since...
don't let me keep you from your tour. I just need to pick up a few things and I'll be on my way.
Just got some butterbeer and some nice little apple chips after the Gringott's ride. Definitely the coolest roller coaster here so far, with the spinning cars, tilt track, all the effects and things. So we're doing that again for sure before we leave here. Had to enjoy some butterbeer as well.
Official MIB training field. These beam machines allow us to test 6 recruits at once.
Receive resemblance to neuropsychological
vehicles.
It's a rainy day in Springfield. We got off the Simpsons ride and it started pouring down rain. It's a little better now, but looks like it's gonna be like this for the rest of the day.
Hey Doc, we just hit 35!
Okay, Marty, I'm coming aboard!
Do the roar.
You know, I'd rather not. It's my kid's birthday party.
Do the roar.
Honey.
Here's the Trolls Troller Coaster, the kiddie coaster at the Dreamworks section, and the fourth and final coaster in Universal Studios. It's a Vekoma Junior coaster, I believe, similar to the roller skater model, like Kentucky Kingdoms. And of course, it's not operating now because of the rain and lightning in the area. Do it again. Well, it turned out to be a pretty rainy day here at Universal, but since most of the rides are indoors, they were still able to operate, and so that wasn't too much of a problem. But it's pretty impressive. My first visit here. We'll be enjoying the next few days at the other parks down here. So we'll see you all very soon on my next voyage.